Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my space. And how are we all doing? Today we are making turban. So I'm on low cut, as you all know, so I need something to represent my hair at the back because I want this rounded shape. So I use that Ankara material to make it and dip it inside that cap, guys. So the material I'll be using for today is lycra material. That is stretchable material. It's stretchable. So I grab it at the middle and I use my elastic band to grab it. Okay guys, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, welcome back to my page. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are always welcome, and thanks for always stopping by. Okay guys, what we do on this page is we do DIY hair wrap, and that's if that is what you love to know more about or to check out, stick around on this page by hitting on the follow button and follow this page for more airdrop tutorials. Do not forget to share and like as well. So guys, you've seen how I divided the middle parts, and one part on my head and the other falls at the back. So the excess you have at the back, you just make a twist with it and take it around that your packed ear. Okay, assuming I have packed ear, that's how it's gonna look. So I use that material to represent it. So you take it that some round ear, packed ear at the back, and it's going to give you a rounded shape. We are done with that part. So you come back to the front as well, and you're going to make a twist with it. When you make a twist with it, just go with me here in this video. Just continue making twist, and you take it sideways and it's gonna reach the back, and you're going to use it again to go around the first twist you made at the back. Just take it around, and you secure it, and that's all there. That is all. We're going back to the front. You know, I have my elastic band. So if you're going to use elastic band, it's advisable you use color that will blend with your material, but I don't have one as at the moment I'm making this video. So I use yellow, which is off color for my material. So I need this to cover it up. So I did that, and it was so guys, here is the first style. What do you think about it? Leave your comment in the comment section. And I want to show you another one, which is the second style. So I'll lose that part up, and I'm bringing it forward. Look at what we're going to do with it. Guys, have you shared this video? Kindly hit the share button and share. I need to reach more people, okay? And also click on the like button. You need to like, please. And ah, good. Okay, let's continue with this. Just take it like this, and just take it round and round and round it, and the excess you have here, taking it sideways, and you dip it in there. And guess what? This is what I have. Try it. See you guys.